Idol, anong best advice ang mabibigay mo sa beginners regarding sa working out? Ang best advice na mabibigay ko, kailangan consistent ka na sa fitness journey mo na masustansya ang kinakain mo, na calorie deficit ka para pumayat, tapos mataas yung protein intake mo every 3 hours, 50% ng ng calorie requirement mo, 30% sa carbs, 20% healthy fats, and then every day may physical activity tayo. Either working out, progressive training, resistance training, progressive overload, stimulating to build muscles. And then pwedeng the following day, walking lang. Or sports, basketball, volleyball, swimming. So every day, para good for the heart and ma-stimulate yung muscle building. Consistent ka lang, huwag ka magmadali. And eventually, mahahabol mo na yung goals mo. Hindi siya sprint, marathon siya. Hindi yung fit ka bukas, fit ka next month. Fit for life dapat kahit may senior na tayo. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy